Welcome back to Borderlands 4. We're in a new area. Not new now though, because I've been here for about 3 or 4 videos. This is called Cuspid Climb. We're going to try to clean up some of these collectibles in here. Might even go down here to see what this is before we head all the way up here. We got to clear up some. We're going to explore some of this area. We also got to find this key. This is a pretty big area. Look for that key. Actually, I think it's in this cave. So we can't get it yet. Because I remember when we were over. Was I over there already? I believe I was over there already. Because we did get that deadbolt. Well, that's blue, so we didn't get it yet. Got a deadbolt down here, too. We got a deadbolt somewhere. Oh, yeah, up here. By this safe house. Right over here. The deadbolt. We got that one. Okay, so yeah, we didn't get this one. So we're going to go up in this area, try and find a key. We're going to go down here. We have an Evocarium. Maybe grab this echolog if I see it. And this deadbolt. And then go down and check out what's down here. Right now I'm having a hard time finding an Evocarium. It's here somewhere. I swear it was on this bridge here. How did I get up here? Let's see. Is there a climbing wall here? Right there. The Evocarium is right there. It is. I knew it was here somewhere. I saw a backpack. Here we go. And it's not going to open. Okay. I forgot to put the little thing on. Let's go down here.
Oh, no, you don't. I like my neck
Really?
Find your cover.
There ain't no place to hide, dude.
Kind of extreme, don't you think?
Yes, I am kind of extreme. Kind of extreme, don't you think?
Takes you away just for me.
That's pretty funny.
I've seen a body like this. That's heaven.
I'm sorry, this is too much fun. Reload. Uh-oh. I messed him right up, didn't it? And he didn't drop anything. Those big guys. What's the point of having a big badass and doesn't drop anything? He dropped nothing. He dropped nothing. Clear this area out so we can find the shiny balls. Alright, let's go find the shiny balls. I bet they're on top of all this shit. There's still someone left down there, but I don't know where. Way down? Must be way down. Let's see where this thing is. Yep. Here he comes. He's still going though. Seriously? Alright, we got one up there, of course, which I knew I'd have to climb something. And we got one up here. The thing is, how do you jump to all these places? Can I jump? The highest one, go to the highest one first. Where's the other one at? Down in a hole down there. So let's go to the highest one first. I can go there, and then maybe there. And then we'll hit the hole. How do I get up there? That's the toughie. I guess from up there. What is that? I don't know. Okay, I gotta get up to that bridge, which I was already up there. Climbing wall, climbing wall. Here we go. Let's go here. Okay. Then I gotta go here. Wow, that's a lot of cash. 15,000 cash, huh? And I gotta go this way. Seriously, come on. Why did it not grab onto that? Can someone explain that to me? Why he did not grab onto that. Now I missed it. Now I gotta go back. Because there's no way to get up here. There's no way to get up there now. There we go. We're heading down. Ugh. Can I get up there from here? Nope, I gotta go this way. Ugh. And go this way. And then jump over here. And go all the way, I guess. Get down. No, no, stay on the top. There we go. Grab it. Now I gotta get that one over there. Can I get it? Looks like I can. No, no, no! Ah, Jesus. Grab it. Okay, so the other one's down in a hole somewhere. The other one's over there. Can I get that from here? Let's just see if we can. Looks like we can. Okay. Bunch of bad guys over there. They're shooting at me? Looks like they probably are. Oh, is there a bad guy over there? This at? It's up here, isn't it? Yeah, it's up here. We'll deal with you guys later. There's some collectibles down there we're gonna get while we're here. What the hell?
Imagine my surprise when, after leeching a sickle life from a great tree, I felt the warmth of a sister. Another siren. One who had touched the very same tree. Who had fed on the same life. But I'm here now.
I'm here now.
With the power that was hers. Which means she's gone. I have no doubt this world was her grave.
Let's see. I could fast travel up here and unload this stuff. Let's do it. Clear out my inventory and we'll head down. I could jump down to those other areas. What's this? Impulse Dog of War. Ladoff. Underdog. Guns with life parts again. Or gain 50% under barrel damage. Okay, I don't have anything like that right now, and just we'll find something else if we really need that. Oops. So, I didn't pick up a lot, did I? I thought I did. Okay, well, let's just unload this.
No one's gonna come looking for this.
25 is good. I don't want to go that way. I want to go this way. Just jump off the edge over here, I think. Because we're looking at... Let's see, we got the Evocarium. There is an Echo log down here, which I don't really care about. But there's also this deadbolt. I'm going to try to collect as many of those as I can, and I want to go down here. So, let's see. This is going to be jumping right down into the fire pit. It's alright. Probably should have got some ammo. We're right here. It's my ammo situation. Oh, we're full. Okay, no need. Alright, where do we want to go? Yep, right down into the fire pit. Here's a guy who's got some... He's got some armor on, doesn't he? He's got a lot of armor on. That's where we want to go, though, right? Yep, there's a deadbolt right down there somewhere. What else is down here? Let's see. Oh, this is my jumping off platform, huh?
Hey, all right, now it's a party.
I can go that way and then come back at these guys. Let's do that. Airstrike. Whoa. What is that? It's a dummy. Where's the big... There he is. Is he still alive? I don't know if he got flopped around quite a lot, didn't he? What are these guys doing fighting next to the Rippers? Okay, so I'm looking for a deadbolt. Here somewhere. Where's it at? Right next to me here. In here? Or is it like down below somewhere? Is there a cave here? There's no cave here. And I was thinking the deadbolt always has a, you know, a dead guy next to it. I don't know. That's what I was thinking. Could be wrong. That's why I don't do all these things. I'd like to do them as much as possible, but that's why I don't do it. It's not worth searching around for all this crap. I mean, it's just an achievement. I don't know what the deadbolts are for. It's like I'm looking right at it. Let's see if we can we put a marker on it. Let's see what happens if I put a marker on it. Deadbolt. Okay, that's weird. This way? It must be underground somewhere. Let's go. It must be underground. Oh, there's a lot of blues. There's a good blue too. It's a sniper rifle. Oh, someone got caught in a vortex. Damn it. Get out of my way. Alright, so where are we going again? This way. More bad guys up here.
Are you real? Your final score is...
Your final score. I give them credit. I think they did a good job with the smack talk in this game. Way better than Borderlands 3. Borderlands 3, I felt like the smack talk was forced. It was really weird. What is that? Nah, he's gonna leave that there. I guess I'm going down. I must be going down somewhere. Let's see. Oh, come on. Seriously, game? This is ridiculous. This is crazy. More bad guys up here. This is where we were. Where am I going? This is crazy. It's not up here. Why am I going in this frickin' circle jerk? Ah, jeez. I don't understand this. I'm gonna find out when I get there. These things are back again, huh? So those respawn. Okay. Those might have been there the first time I went by here, but I ran by so fast it didn't affect me. Where are we going? This way. I have no idea why it's going this way. Over there? Is that it? No, we gotta go down the side of the mountain. What are these guys doing out here? This looks like a sniper moment. Ah, I missed him. I don't know what you guys are doing over there. Anything over here? Toilet. You guys are guarding the toilet, huh? Nice. Alright, so where are we going, GPS? Show me. Going right back where we were. Or are we up above? Oh, it's up above. I'd have never found this. You gotta remember to use the GPS more often. Often. Another drop barge coming in. Here it is. There's the dead body. Deadbolt. Read it, dude. Collectible. I don't get it. I gotta look those up and see what they're for, if anything. If they're just collectibles, I'm not gonna chase all those things down. Alright, so what's next here? There was something else here, wasn't there? How do you... Oh, we wanted to go down here. How can we get down here? Show me how to get down here. No path found. Okay. I think I want to go this way, though. Just jump off here. Those guys respawn? Did not. Yeah, we want to go this way. Somebody respawned. He did.
Nunca fallo!
Okay. That was a pretty fast respawn there. I guess because I went so far out of the area.
Big fella! Real big!
There is a big fella right there. Another one. Is this like a big fella respawn right here? He's got 2 bars.
I am one hell of a shot if I do say so myself.
And they don't drop anything. Didn't drop nothing. 2 guys respawn. 2 badasses respawn, and we got nothing from them. I don't get it. What's the point of having a badass if they don't drop anything? Alright, where are we going? We're going straight this way, I think. It looks like. Discover this, whatever's over here. Right? This it? Actually, this looks like a crawler. Definitely looks like a crawler. Ah, crawlers are always fun. Hollow home. Where are they all at? Oh, we're getting some aerial strikes. Okay. He's saying his stomach's burning? Is that what he said? My stomach's burning? That's pretty funny. Okay, so he dropped some shit. Purple. Green. So what is this? Oops. Get out of that. Grab this, whatever. Looks like a health or shield booster. One of the two. One guy left, huh? I don't know what this is right here. We haven't discovered anything yet. He looks like he just sniped him. Where is he? There he is.
Gotta make things slow for ya! Anyone got the mop?
Yeah, you know, you're walking right towards someone aiming a sniper rifle at you. I don't think you could keep going. Go the other way. I do. Yeah, I gotta find whatever boss drops a wombo combo. I don't know how I got that. I don't even know. I might have bought it. Might have found it in a vending machine. Is this where we're going? We are. Okay, this looks like a boss fight up here. Let's get rid of this. Get rid of that. hear a lot of bad stuff happening. Let's see what time it is. We got a good time here. We're still doing pretty good. This looks like a boss arena here, though. Oh, save. Yeah, this is it. This is either a crawler. Oh, yeah, this is either a crawler or a frickin' drill mine. Yeah, what is it called? It's a drill site, so this is gonna be a boss fight. Son of a... Okay, wasn't prepared for this, but we can do it. It's not our first boss fight, but let's get rid of some stuff. We're gonna sell some stuff while we're here, because we're gonna get a ton of stuff. What's this? This is a cryo grenade. I don't know, I kind of like my, what does it say? Spring payload, bounces in place, exploding 3 additional times. Explosive grenade damage radius is increased. That's a big radius, 810 centimeters. T or double tap R1 to remotely detonate. Nope, don't want that. That's just too much work. Atlas. And we got a rusted buzzy muzz, huh? Alt fire, electric barrel, extra barrel. Enables a secondary barrel, increasing the fire rate. I wonder what that would be compared to my current. I mean, if I've got that hooked up, we're gonna look at that because that looks interesting. With my current setup, which fires extra bullets anyway. Incendiary SMG. We gotta look at those SMGs. Let's look at those SMGs, see what we got, because I've got some good SMGs right now. This one here. Cryo, or this is corrosive and this is corrosive and radiation. This is corrosive and fire. 94, no, was that 34 fire damage? 94 fire damage. Okay, the other one has got the COV mag. Okay, yeah, the other one's got the COV mag. Let me stick with that one. What about this one here? I think we're good. I think we're good. Incendiary is pretty good on that though. 94 incendiary. What's about this incendiary one here? That's 34 incendiary. Now that would be worth a swap right there. No, the other one, that one's a Jacobs. So critical hits ricochet. That's a Vladov with a Jacobs. Licensed accessory. That one just does a lot of damage over there. 94 incendiary damage. Let's give it a whirl. Let's give it a whirl. Let's look at the assault rifles. I got a couple assault rifles. One of these. One of these had an interesting. This is a COV. No, I don't want to compare it to that. We want to compare it to whatever we got over here. This is a COV mag with a Daedalus and COV. This one here, extra barrel enables a secondary barrel, increasing the fire rate. Huh. That could be devastating with my current enhancement. I think it's the enhancement that's, okay, that's my kill drone. COV. I'm kind of liking this thing over here. This has got a lot of damage to 62, but I'm kind of liking this. 94 damage. Let's get rid of this. Let's keep this one for now. Now we're gonna hook that up. What is my currently equipped one is the shock one. Where is it? The hell? Here it is. What's this? That's not it. What is this? It's an SMG. Shock SMG. 220 shock damage. Look at that filter. It says 11. You know there's more than 11 weapons in my backpack here. Huh. This is the one we just got? No. Well, that was an assault rifle anyway. That's right. I was on the wrong frickin' thing, dumbass. We want to swap the assault rifle because this here is doing what? Bullet hose. So that weapon with that this thing, extra barrel. I don't know what kind of. We're gonna try it and see what happens. And then it has sticky magazine too. Okay, this is gonna be interesting. All right, so let's gonna call it right here because this is gonna be a hellacious battle. I'm pretty sure. So come back. We're gonna go in there and either kick some ass or get our ass kicked. So if you're watching, thanks for watching. See ya.